Welcome back, and in this video I'm going to talk about SingularityNET. I was actually planning to participate in the ICO, and to be honest, unfortunately, I forgot all about the project. However, the token sale ended on December 22 of 2017, and it actually sold out after 66 seconds, so I probably wouldn't have made it anyway. So let's first of all have a look at what problems the AI industry are having right now. So today in the AI world, AI projects or tools has this closed development environment, and this means that a tool is maybe developed by one company, and maybe this tool only perform one task, and therefore you can't plug two tools together. So because of the closed environment, AI is really hard to discover. It is also expensive and complicated to use because, only a few people may be able to create AI and connect it to others and eventually take it to the market. So these are the pains SingularityNET wants to fix. So if we scroll further down, introducing SingularityNET. Now, they want AI tech to be able to communicate with each other, share data with each other, and make requests of each other, to compensate each other for their work, to rate each other for their work, and to make AI more simple to use. So let's see how this project actually removes the barriers. So SingularityNET enables AI to communicate to each other by creating this protocol. Next, SingularityNET enables AI discovery and quality reporting by creating the decentralized marketplace where AI can be purchased. But last but not least, Singularity enables mainstream adoption for AI by linking AI services together automatically. So this can be done on their marketplace, as described here. So that's huge, guys, and if they end up doing what they state here, then I'm sure it will be a huge project and they will have a lot of success. Now that I've described the project, I want to show you the team behind the project. So the SingularityNET team, Dr. Ben Goertzel is the CEO, and he has a PhD in mathematics. He has founded several companies, and I have sources that says he began researching AI already in 1985. Furthermore, he also spoke at a Google Tech Talk back in 2007 about artificial general intelligence, and already at that time he was thinking about AI to AI communication, the artificial general intelligence, which is what SingularityNET actually tries to create. So it's a long-term idea he has had, something he has been probably thinking about for a long time. Next up is Dr. David Hanson, and this is an interesting guy because he has the robotics lead position, and he is a founder of Sophia, the robot who you probably have heard of, who went viral on the social media. He owns a robotic company called Hanson Robotics, which is also a SingularityNET partner. This guy is really huge in the AI and robotics space. And Dr. Ben Goertzel is also huge as well. He's one of the most famous AI persons in the industry. So it is a big team consisting of over 50 AI developers and over 10 PhDs. So that's good. It's a good size, and they also have some highly skilled and relevant business advisors, and also a blockchain team, and some AI advisors, of course. And they also have over 30 partners that are ready to use SingularityNET once they launch, and I want to find where they write here. So furthermore, the Prince of Saudi Arabia invested in the ICO and declared the AI Sophia a citizen of Saudi Arabia. So this is also huge because he actually invested in the ICO, And I mean, it's always good to have such public figures in a project, involved in a project. I want to talk about the token utility because it's always interesting to hear what the token actually are being used for. So let's have a look at the utility of the SingularityNET's AGI token. The token is named AGI, and from my point of view, or from what I can understand, it enables 4 key mechanisms. So first of all, transactions, which is one key mechanism. The token makes transaction possible through, for example, interoperability. Like, the network will work with multiple blockchains and infrastructures, and the AGI token allows streamlined transactions without having to think about the difference in technology. But also, it also makes transaction possible through scalable applications which can be built on top of the network with near to zero transaction costs. And then the AGI token also enables privacy and data sovereignty. So another key mechanism is settlements, because without the AGI token you would need access to native tokens of other protocols in order to make transactions, meaning it would be really complex without the AGI token. And the third mechanism is incentives. So in short, SingularityNET has a so-called AI curation market. So this market is a discovery ranking mechanism, and as an AGI holder you can become a staker, meaning that you lock your tokens to increase an AI agent's rank. And now if the AI agent improve his or her reputation, you as a staker will be rewarded with new tokens because you promoted the discovery of high quality AI agents. I think that's a great idea. Definitely something I would try to do. So the fourth key mechanism is governance, because actually network operations will be funded democratically with the help of the AGI token. But SingularityNET will not be a DAO because the project is still backed up by the SingularityNET Foundation. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all about the AGI token, its utility. To conclude the token utility, there is need for the AGI token. Let's move on to the roadmap for this project, and it's a really good white paper, so you should definitely try to read it, and especially if you want to get in on this project. So looking at the roadmap, the focus for December of 2017 was on releasing the alpha version, and it is released, so that's a good sign. Now, in the first half of 2018 or 2018, time will be spent on developing the infrastructure and also developing AI functionality or implementing them, such as image processing and English natural language processing tasks. So they will be developed and of course also tested. An example of infrastructure development is implementing smart contracts covering interactions between AI agents and external customers. So that's just one example. And let's look further. So in December of 2018, SingularityNET 1.0 will be released. And this is actually a fully functional version. The infrastructure and AI development will of course continue, but this is a huge milestone. So be aware of that. And in 2019, the team will focus on achieving high scalability, and also improvements and extensions will be implemented, of course. So this is a period for improving the system. So in 2020, scalability will still be a keyword, something they focus heavily on, but the focus will also be on embedded devices like or meaning Internet of Things actually, because they are actually speaking about IoT here. So Internet of Things may be an integration with IoT. That's of course a huge thing. And in 2021, the focus will be on integrating language, perception, and biomedical data analysis together with data collection from IoT. If you're wondering about what kind of wallet you need in order to store this SingularityNET token or AGI, then I can tell you that SingularityNET is an ERC20 token, meaning that you can store it from, for example, my Ether wallet or any Ethereum wallet. But I would recommend myetherwallet.com because I know that you can store it on my Ether wallet. Everything about this project looks promising to me, at least. In general, what's most important for me is actually the idea and the team behind the project. That's what I weight the most. And I think that this idea is revolutionary for the AI industry, and then the team looks awesome, have a lot of knowledge and experience in this field. So the size of the team is good as well. I also like that the token isn't listed on major exchanges yet. I think KuCoin is the biggest exchange at the moment. So that also means that this coin hasn't gone mainstream yet. I have a position in AGI, SingularityNET, and I plan to hodl my position for a long time. I think it will be huge, but I also think it will take some time because you have to remember that the artificial intelligence industry is young. Also, I think that the current price of $0.686 USD is pretty cheap at the moment, considered where it had been before. Anyways guys, I want to thank you for listening to me. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to know more about making money with cryptocurrency, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up.